Today, I'm going to show you how to use free Elementor templates to boost your WordPress website design. This is a fantastic way to create professional-looking pages without starting from scratch, and it can save you hours of design work. First, you'll need to log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to the left sidebar and click on Pages. From there, select Add Page, which will create a new blank page for you to work with. After the page is created, you'll see an option to edit with Elementor. Click on that button to launch the Elementor Editor interface. Now that you're inside the Elementor Editor, look for the folder icon labeled Add Template. This icon is typically located in the bottom left corner of the screen, and clicking it will open up a library of pre-designed templates that you can use. This is where the magic happens, as Elementor offers a wide range of free templates to choose from. In the template library, you'll want to select the Starter Templates tab if it's available. If you don't see that option, look for Blocks or Pages instead, as these sections contain free template options that you can use without a premium subscription. These templates are fully customizable and can be adapted to fit your specific needs. Take your time scrolling down through the available templates until you find one that matches your vision. Once you've found a preferred template, simply click the Insert button. This will begin importing the template into your page, bringing in all the design elements, sections, and layouts that come with it. You'll need to wait for the import to complete, so give it a moment to fully load. Depending on the complexity of the template and your internet connection, this might take a few seconds. Once the template has been imported, you'll see all the elements appear on your page, ready for customization. Now, to personalize your template, head over to the Style tab in the left panel. Look for the Background Type option and click on the Classic button. This allows you to add a custom background to your section. From here, choose Image as your background type. You can either upload new files directly from your computer or select an image from your existing media library, then click Select to apply it. Finally, you can adjust the image resolution to ensure your background looks crisp and professional. Simply select your preferred resolution from the drop-down menu. This setting helps optimize how your background image displays across different screen sizes. And there you have it. You've successfully used a free Elementor template and customized it with your own background image to create a stunning WordPress page. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.